Hey guys, this is Matthew Yin, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about learning how to filter or subset your data, and learn about using the qplot to graph your results. And for today's example, we're going to be using the Yelp data set, and we're going to be answering the question: will having a higher Yelp review in Las Vegas determine the amount of reviews a business has? Or yeah. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the library packages NNET, JSON Lite, GG themes, and ggplot2, and also dplyr. And then after we loaded all these packages, then we're gonna set wd to wherever your data set is. So for mine, it's desktop slash Yelp underscore data set underscore challenge underscore round 9. And then after that, you're going to put the file that you need, which in this case is going to be the JSON file for the business part, and we're going to use a stream-in function in order to get that. And then once that's all done loading, we're going to put we're basically going to filter out all the businesses that aren't in Las Vegas. So we're going to have to make sure the cities equal Las Vegas and that the review count is greater or equal to 1. So we're going to do that quick. And then once we've done that, now we're going to separate all. Okay, so first we'll open Las Vegas. Then let's see. Still loading. Oh, okay. Actually, we'll just do the head. Okay, see? Notice how everything here, they're all Las Vegas businesses now, because everything is filtered. And now we're going to separate all the Las Vegas businesses into low ratings, which are 2.5 stars and below, or high ratings, which is greater than 2.5. So first we would do Las Vegas, and then we do rating. So we're creating a new column at this point, and we're going to call it rating. So then we do Las Vegas, and then now we're going to do the stars, because we're using the stars in order to determine what the rating is. And then less than or equal to 2.5, and then this we're going to call it low, so like that. And then now we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to put this greater, and that's going to be high, just like that. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to create the qplot. So the qplot function is just that, and then we're first going to put the x, and which in this case is the rating, and then we're going to do review count as the y, because that's what we're looking for, and then data is going to be Las Vegas, and then after that we're going to make this into a box plot, so just like that. And then the way we're going to group it is we're going to use the new column that we got, which is rating. And then for color, we're going to do by rating. So after that, we're going to labs. So title, we can do something like a total review counts in Las Vegas. Oh yeah, by rating. Something like that. Could be anything. And then we're gonna do the theme as none. So legend, position, none. Let's see what that gives us. So now that we created this plot right here, it's pretty clear from this graphic that we just created that the higher business rating in Yelp tends to mean that the businesses also have a higher review count. And that's pretty much it. So, yeah. Yeah, that's it.